We celebrate National Gingerbread Cookie Day annually on November 21st. It's the perfect time to celebrate as the holiday season is not too far away. Gingerbread cookies instantly make us feel warm and cozy, they're tasty, and no amount of cookies will be enough. Their rich flavor profile makes you want to keep going back for more. Gingerbread cookies come in all shapes and sizes, but gingerbread man cookies are the most popular ones. Gingerbread has been around for centuries. The ancient Greeks and Egyptians often used gingerbread for ceremonial purposes. Later, in the 11th century, Crusaders brought ginger into Europe from the Middle East. It was in the 16th century that gingerbread figural biscuits made their first appearance. Queen Elizabeth I of England asked her staff to make gingerbread figures that looked like the foreign dignitaries and the other guests of honor, and later presented them in the likeness of some of her very important guests. In England, gingerbread biscuits were also sold around the 17th century in monasteries, pharmacies, and farmers' markets. In certain places like Nuremberg and Pulsnitz in Germany, it is regarded as an art form. The German version of gingerbread cookies is known as Lebkuchen and has been around for over 400 years. These are often heart-shaped and decorated with names and messages of love written in icing. Gingerbread cookies are also highly regarded as art in Torun in Poland, Tula in Russia, Pest in Hungary, Pardubice, Prague in the Czech Republic, and Lyon in France. Later, as years went by, gingerbread tied with ribbons became a popular feature at local fairs and were even exchanged as a token of love. Now gingerbread cookies are popular in many Western countries and especially baked around the holiday season. You can make a house, cake, biscuits, or simply cookies, and munch your way through it during the holidays and soak in the warm and spicy flavors. On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.